Let me ask you, have you tested your internet speed lately? If your internet speed test looks great, but your trading platform still feels slow, laggy, or inconsistent, this video is for you. Because the problem usually isn't your ISP, it's Windows. What's up, traders? It's Eddie Z here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your internet connection in Windows the right way, step by step, without fake speed hacks or outdated nonsense. Now, I want to be crystal clear. This does not speed up order executions, and this does not overcome your brokers or the exchange's latency. What it does do is remove the hidden Windows bottlenecks that make your fast internet feel slow, especially if you live inside of browser-based trading tools and trading platforms. Now, before we change a single setting, I want you protected. We're going to create a restore point here so you can undo everything instantly, just in case something gets hosed up. So go ahead and press that Windows key and type create a restore point and then open it. You'll see a window called System Properties. And on the System Protection tab, make sure the protection is turned on for your main drive, which is usually the C drive. If it's off, click Configure, turn it on, and then click OK. Now click Create. Name it. So name it something like Before Internet Tune-Up, and then click Create again. Windows will take 10 to 30 seconds and confirm when it's done. Now you're safe, you have a restore point. All right, step number 1, checking your network drivers. First thing we're gonna do is make sure Windows is talking properly to your network hardware. And I know this one is super boring, but outdated or buggy drivers can cause random slowdowns that feel like bad internet. So go ahead and press the Windows key and type in Device Manager, and then open the Device Manager. Look for the one called Network Adapters and expand it. Then right-click Ethernet Adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, that's fine. If it installs something new, even better. If you also use Wi-Fi, repeat the same steps for your Wi-Fi adapter. This will prevent any instability before we go deeper. Okay, step number 2. I've said this so many times. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. And again, I know you've probably heard me say this before, but I'm going to say it again because it really makes a huge difference. If you can use a wired cable Ethernet connection, use it. This matters more than people think. Wi-Fi is a shared radio signal. It deals with tremendous interference, retransmits, and random latency spikes that don't show up on speed tests. A wired Ethernet connection is a physical cable. It's shielded, it's consistent, and it's predictable. And for traders, predictability beats raw speed every single time. If your desk doesn't move, wired is the correct answer. Step 3, we're going to reset Windows networking the right way. So believe it or not, over time, Windows slowly corrupts its own internet settings. And that hidden damage shows up as lag, hesitation, and instability. And that's why one computer can feel slow while every other device on the same exact network is fine. We're about to wipe that slate clean. So go ahead and press the Windows key and type CMD. When the command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Now type these commands exactly as shown and pressing Enter after each one. And I'll put them in the description as well. So you're going to type NETSH space INT space IP space reset and hit enter. Next, you're going to type in NETSH space winsock, WINSOCK space reset, and then press enter. Then you're going to put in Ipconfig space /release and then hit enter. And now Ipconfig space /renew and hit enter. And lastly, Ipconfig space /flushdns and hit enter. And when you're done, restart your computer. Do not skip the restart. You can wait till after the video, but it's part of the fix. And by the way, if you want a deeper breakdown on how every part of your trading computer affects performance, the CPU, the RAM, the hard drives, networking, platform stability, grab my complete guide to trading computers. It's free. It's linked below, and it'll save you from guessing or wasting money. All right, back to it. Step number 4, fix DNS using CloudFlare. Now, before we change anything, let me explain what DNS actually does, because this is one of the most misunderstood pieces of the internet. DNS, or Domain Name System, is basically the phone book of the internet. Every time you type in a website, you open a cloud-based trading platform, you log into your broker, or you load a dashboard, your computer has to translate a human-friendly name into a numeric IP address. And that lookup happens constantly in the background. If the DNS is slow, everything feels slow. Pages hesitate before loading, logins pause for a second, dashboards feel sluggish, even though your internet speed test looks great. Here is the problem. Most internet providers, like Xfinity and AT&T, they use mediocre DNS servers. They work, but they're not optimized for speed or responsiveness. So what we're going to do is replace your ISP's DNS with CloudFlare DNS, which is fast, globally distributed, and extremely reliable. Now here's exactly how you do it. Press the Windows key plus R. Type in ncpa.cpl and press enter. Then right-click on your wired Ethernet adapter and choose Properties. Scroll down the list to Internet Protocol version 4, and then highlight it and click Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses, and then we're going to enter CloudFlare's IPv4 DNS. So under Preferred DNS Server, you're going to type 1.1.1.1, and for Alternate DNS Server, you're going to type 1.0.0.1, and then click OK. Then you're going to go back out to the list, and you're going to look for Internet Protocol version 6, highlight that and click Properties. If manual DNS is available, make sure to enter manual DNS and enter CloudFlare's IPv6 DNS. And I'll put all these numbers right in the description.
But the preferred is 2606:4700:4700:1111. And the alternate is 2606:4700:1001. And then click OK again.
Now again, this does not increase your raw internet speed, but it often makes the internet feel faster because name lookups happen quicker and more consistently, which matters a lot if you live inside browser-based trading tools. Step number 5, use a little program called DNS Jumper to find the fastest DNS for your location. Now this is an advanced hack, and it works, but use it at your own risk. CloudFlare is excellent, very fast, but sometimes the fastest DNS can vary by location and by ISP, and that's where this little program called DNS Jumper comes in. So go to your browser and search DNS Jumper Sorghum, just as I have it on the screen, and download it from the Sorghum website. Quick heads up here. Once you click on that page, the program will start downloading by itself. So be careful, because there is a lot of advertising on that page and you do not want to click on an ad by mistake. If the file doesn't download automatically in a few seconds, then click this link here. Once it downloads, you will see it's a small zip file. Right-click the zip file, choose Extract All, and then open the extracted folder. Right-click the DNS Jumper exe program and choose Run as Administrator. Once it opens, make sure all network adapters are selected, and then look for a button that says Fastest DNS. And on the next screen, it'll give you all of the DNS servers it tests. What you're looking at now is just a list of the servers. You still need to click Start DNS Test. DNS Jumper will then test multiple DNS providers and show response times in milliseconds. Lower numbers are better, and you can sort each column by clicking the header and finding the lowest response time. If another provider consistently tests faster than CloudFlare, you can select it and apply it directly through DNS Jumper. After applying any new DNS settings, open the command prompt by hitting the Windows key plus R and typing in CMD. Then you want to type in ipconfig //flushdns. Then reopen a browser and test it. See how it feels. Are things zippier? Okay, the next big fix we can make to Windows is step number 6, turning off Windows delivery optimization. So to do this, go ahead and press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. Click Windows Update and then Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Delivery Optimization. Turn Allow Downloads from other PCs to off. The issue with this feature is that it allows Windows to use your bandwidth in the background to download or upload updates. That's fine for offices and schools, but not for a trading workstation where consistency matters. Step number 7, let's clean up the startup apps. This isn't really about speed, but it's about making sure you don't have resource competition. Press Control-Shift-Escape to open the Task Manager. Click More Details if it appears, and then go to Startup Apps. Next, click the top of the status column to show you what's enabled and what's not enabled. These are the programs that launch at startup. Disable anything that doesn't need to run the moment you start Windows. Microsoft Teams, Spotify, updaters, anything you don't need right when the machine boots up. Just disable it. You're not uninstalling anything, but you're keeping Windows focused to what it really needs to work on. Step number 8, we're going to do a network reset if nothing else works. If your machine is still the only device with slow internet on your network, it may be time for a full reset. Go ahead and press Windows key plus I. You're going to go to Network and Internet, and then Advanced Network Settings. Then scroll down and click Network Reset, and then click Reset Now. This removes and reinstalls your network adapters and resets your networking components to defaults. You'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks afterwards, but this often fixes deeply buried issues. And if this video helped you, do me a favor, slam that subscribe button because you don't want to miss future tech breakdowns. And grab the complete guide to trading computers. There's a link for it in the description below. My name's Eddie Z. Thank you for watching, and check out the world's fastest trading computer by checking out this video next. And as I always say, you know what I'm about to say, may the trend be with you.